I get it now.
Yeah.
I get it now. I don't think you had to make fun of me.
I didn't. I've not made any fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenroadFootprint. As a professional photographer, you'd think that I would have a pretty good handle on cameras, right? Well, you're about to find out it's not that easy.
I just need you to explain this to me again, okay? Let's do a visual. Right, okay, so we'll start from the start,
Got
right?
two sides,
Yeah,
front and the back.
yeah,
If I record from this side,
yeah,
I can see you right now.
yeah,
Hey GoPro, start recording. It's recording you.
yeah,
Hey GoPro, stop recording. Stopped.
yeah,
If I want to record me, I face it this way.
yeah,
Hey GoPro, start recording. It's doing me.
yeah.
Hey GoPro, stop recording. I'm not getting what's funny about this. Hey GoPro, stop recording.
So what's your question?
My question is, how does it know if I want to record that or if I want to record that? It's funny. How does it know? How does it know? Do your face.
Okay.
How does it know? I don't know how
Okay,
it
so
knows.
what did I do just then to show my face?
I don't know. You were doing it this way and it was getting your face. Just getting your face from this side and my
No.
face on that side.
No.
And now it's your face on that side. My
Yeah.
face this side. I'm
Yeah.
not understanding what's funny. I'm not understanding.
How many cameras does it have?
One.
Okay.
I'm assuming it's one.
Yeah. So if the camera's facing you, what's it going to record?
But how does it know it's facing me now and it's not facing me now? How does it know? How does it know? I don't know what's... It's now stopped.
What do you mean, how does it know? So you can just press that one as well. That's
Yeah,
why I
okay,
asked you
okay,
to
but how
turn
does
it off.
know?
So how does the camera know which way it's facing?
Well, on my camera, if I want to take a photo... I
This
put the
is a
camera up.
photographer person.
If I want to take a photo, I point the camera, I shoot. If
Yeah.
I want to take a photo, I have to face the camera to me, shoot.
So if you want to take a photo of you,
Yeah.
you have to turn the camera to face you.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
shoot.
Yeah.
But my camera doesn't have a camera on each side.
Yeah.
This one does. How does it know I want to be recording you?
So
right
how
up
many
there
cameras does
and
the...
me there?
Okay, so how many cameras does that one have?
I don't... One, I'm assuming, but it must have maybe two.
Okay,
Or one.
okay.
Is it one? Is it one? I don't know. I
Okay,
don't know your
so
question.
let me have a look. Well, I don't follow your question. So, where's the camera?
In the box.
Yeah, but where is it?
Just there.
Okay. Now where is the camera?
Still just there.
Yeah.
In the same spot.
But it's facing me now, right?
But how does it know? I don't think you're understanding what I'm asking.
I don't think you're understanding what I'm saying. Okay, so where's the camera facing?
You.
Okay.
And I can
So
see
you can see me. And I can see me because there's a video thingy on the front.
Oh. So that's the camera. So that's the camera.
That thing that looks like a camera? Yeah, that's the camera.
I've got the camera facing
Yeah.
this. And it's just got that little screen so I
Yeah.
can see me.
Yeah.
So that's clever.
It's too clever.
It's too clever. Now I get it. Now I get it.
Oh, so I'm gonna flip this around. Unfortunately, I don't have the device to see me, but oh, I hope you all enjoy that as much as I did. It can't see anything, but it's facing me now. Now it can see.
So that's the camera.
That's the camera.
It's not this.
No.
So that's not seeing me and you. It's all turned off again. Why does it keep turning off?
To save battery.
Oh, okay. That's fair. So it's facing you.
Yeah. Yeah, it's facing
And
me.
if I turn it,
It's facing you.
now facing me, so it knows to record me.
Yeah.
So when it's on the back of the stick and I'm flipping it up and down,
Yeah. You're just changing where the camera is.
I get it now. I
Yeah.
get it now. I don't think you had to make fun of me.
I didn't. I've not made any fun. The rest of the group are going to make fun, not me.
Hey, GoPro. Start recording.
Wow, that was beautiful.
So even when I face it, so then now it's me recording.
Yeah.
Now it's you recording.
Yeah.
Now it's me recording. Now it's you recording.
Is it with a...